How to rename a data table in n8n. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can easily rename up your data table in n8n. So if you wish to rename your data table in n8n, first click onto this home overview and then click on data tables so that you can see all of your data tables in your n8n instance. Now, once you find that particular data table that you wish to rename, you can simply click onto these three dots. From here, if you cannot see any rename option, then you can simply open this. After opening that particular data table that you want to rename, you need to click onto these three dots right here at the top. From here, you can simply choose this rename option, or you can simply also double click on to the name, and then from here you can rename this particular data table, and now you can see that the data table has been successfully renamed. So that's how easily you can rename a data table in n8n. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.